Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here that we are going to discuss today it is the introduction to oxyacids. Basically, the oxyacids are the type of acids that are formed when the different elements are going to combine with the oxygen. So, when they do combine with the oxygen, their compounds are called as oxyacids. Now, here the term oxyacids, we will discuss the oxyacids of the halogens. As the halogens are the group 7A elements, that includes four elements. The number one element here we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine is the third one, and iodine is the fourth one. So these are basically halogens. So today we will discuss about their acids, and these acids are called as oxyacids of the halogens. As well as this is an important class of the compounds of the halogens in which the oxygen containing acids are formed along with there is a formation of their salts. So basically when we talk about the different types of the compounds, we just see that there is no oxygen containing a stable compound which is present over there. So we have to discuss about the different types of the acids over there. When we talk about the fluorine that is present in the combined state, that is two fluorine atoms are present, and it's one of the stable acid which is present as HOF. This is the compound of the fluorine which is prepared by different methods, and it has been prepared recently, but it is highly unstable. Now, why this compound is very unstable? On the other hand, if we talk about the other halogens that are forming different oxyacids like chlorine, bromine, and iodine, so most of them cannot be isolated in the pure form, but they have their stable forms only in the aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means the solutions that are present in the water. These are called as aqueous solution, and these are present in the form of different salts. So basically a specific system that just introduce the different types of the oxyacids we have. Before this, we must have a look that what type of oxyacids may be present over there. So there are some oxyacids of the halogens that have some specific properties. So the number one thing we will discuss about the oxidation state of the halogens. Here first one we have a chlorine. This is the simple formulas of the oxyacids of the halogen. Chlorine has four oxyacids in which the first one is HClO, in which the chlorine is having oxidation state +1. Then we have HClO2 in which the chlorine contain +3 oxidation state. The third one is HClO3 in which it contains +5 oxidation state, and the last one, which is the fourth one oxyacid of the chlorine, it is HClO4. Its oxidation state is +7. So here the chlorine is the main halogen, and that oxygen and hydrogen is combining and making up basically here the oxyacids. Next we have the bromine. Bromine is present in two oxyacids form. The number one is HBRO, in which the oxidation state of bromine is +1, and then second one is HBRO3, in which the oxidation state of bromine is +5. And then we have iodine. Its first oxyacid is HIO. The oxidation state of iodine is +1, and then the second is HClO3, in which the oxidation state of chlorine iodine is +5. And then we have its two different forms like HiO4 and H5O6. Here, the oxidation state of iodine is +7. In the first one thing, the oxidation states in which they have +1, these acids are known as hypohalous acid. On the other hand, if their oxidation state is +3, then their acids are known as halous acids. If their oxidation state is in +5, then they are known as halic acids. So here the word halus, halic, and the last one in which their oxidation state is +7, they will be called as perhalic acids. So the name of the salts will be lithite, hypolite, the simple light 8, and perchlorate. For example, the first one acid is this, so its salt name will be hypochlorite. Its name will be hypochlorite. And then second, its salt name will be chlorite. And if the oxidation state is +5, then its salt name will be chlorate. And if oxidation state is +7, then the salt name will be perchlorate. And likewise, the acid's name will be hypohalous acids, mean the word halous we have to add at the end. And the last one is perhalic acids. So likewise, we have to name these salts as well as these oxyacids according to their root name and according to the salt that they contain or that they can be able to form. After this, there are some reasons for the increase in the oxidation state, and we have already learned that the group 7A elements, these are called halogens, and the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, they must contain -1 oxidation state because they can gain 1 electron in their valence shell. But what is the main reason for the increase in their oxidation state? That is from +1 to +7 when they are forming oxyacids as well as their different types of salts. So the increase in the oxidation state of the halogen from +1 to +7 is basically accompanied by there is an increase in the thermal stability of the acids. It means the acids are thermally stable when they are formed. Then the second reason, the decrease in oxidizing power of the acids. As the number of oxygen atoms are going to be increased, in turn their oxidizing power is also increases. So that's why their oxidation state is going to be increased with the addition of the oxygen atoms. The third one reason is the increase in the acidic strength of the acids. The acidic strength is also going to be increased when there is an increase in the oxygen atoms. So that's why their oxidation state increases with the increase in oxidizing power, thermal stability, and acidic strength as well. In the last one, we will discuss the strength of the oxyacids, that what is the main trend of their increase or decrease in the oxidizing power or oxyacids strength. So the first one is, which is the strongest acid, it will be HXO4. Here the X just denotes the halogens that are group 7A elements, and these halogens includes the four elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. And then the HXO3, in which there are three oxygen atoms are present, it is more stronger or as compared to the acid that is chloric acid. And then the last one is hypohalous acid that is having only one oxygen atom in it. So this was a simple overview about the oxyacids of the halogens. And when we just look on the oxyacids, the molecule that is containing the hydrogen over there, it is linked to the halogen through the oxygen. So the oxyacids of the chlorine are more stronger as compared to the other oxyacids of the bromine, and then as compared to the oxyacids of the iodine. So this is a simple topic about the oxyacids. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the perchloric acid, which is the type of the oxyacids. So we will discuss that in detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.